Crypto ninjas, sharpen your blades. Today we're diving into the explosive crypto week ahead, with July 14, 2025 as the main event. Buckle up! On July 14, the global financial system takes a historic leap as ISO 20022, the next-generation payment messaging standard, officially goes live for major institutions like SWIFT, the Federal Reserve, FedNow, and the ECB. This shift replaces outdated systems, like SWIFT's MT messages, with structured, data-rich XML formats, enabling faster, more transparent, and programmable transactions. What to watch? Bank and institutional adoption. Big banks and payment networks must fully transition. Any delays could cause short-term disruptions. Crypto integration. ISO 20022 compliant blockchains, XRP, XLM, ADA, Quant, ALGO, may see increased institutional use as they align with this standard. FedNow and real-time payments. The U.S. real-time payment system will leverage ISO 20022, potentially boosting Fintech and crypto-friendly banks. Profit opportunities. Crypto plays. If ISO 20022 streamlines institutional crypto adoption, compliant assets could surge. Watch XRP, XLM, and CBDC-linked tokens. Fintech stocks. Companies facilitating ISO 20022 compliance, like payment processors, may see growth. Arbitrage and trading volatility. Expect market swings as liquidity adjusts to new settlement efficiencies. Will ISO 20022 trigger a crypto bull run or crash? Bull case. If institutions use ISO 20022 to ramp up crypto transactions, especially for cross-border payments, demand could skyrocket. Bear risk. If the transition is rocky or regulators crack down on non-compliant cryptos, a short-term sell-off is possible. Crypto Week in the U.S., July 14 to 20, 2025. If positive sentiment aligns with ISO 20022's rollout, this could fuel a summer crypto rally. However, if regulatory fears resurface, volatility will spike. July 14, 2025, could be a pivotal moment for finance and crypto. Traders should monitor institutional adoption, FedNow integration, and regulatory signals during Crypto Week. If all goes well, ISO 20022 may accelerate the next bull run, but expect turbulence along the way. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with new videos. See you in the next video.